Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna check out top 3 best budget mechanical keyboards. Starting at number 3, glorious GMMK Modular. The GMMK TKL was released a few years ago, however, it's still today one of the best barebones hot swappable keyboard kits around. Built with a strong, sandblasted aluminum faceplate that has a clean and minimalist design, it's not lacking any quality either. The GMMK acts as a perfectly good modding platform. All 87 sockets are fully modular, which makes it easy to remove and install a selection of switches, including Kales, Gaterons, Cherries, and clones. Keep in mind that this board only supports plate-mounted 3-pin mechanical switches. As this is a custom keyboard kit, you will have to buy the switches and keycap separately in order to build it yourself. Furthermore, although the snap-in stabilizers come pre-lubed, they can be quite noisy. For this reason, you'll probably want to replace them with a quality set of GMK plates. With a high polling rate, anti-ghosting, and a 16.8 million color RGB backlight, the GMMK features all the extras you would expect with a premium product. Overall, it's an excellent TKL barebones kit that accomplishes the job it was built to do. Check out the description for more information and latest price. Coming at number 2. MBK87Key Dual. The MBK87TKL is an easy-to-assemble mechanical keyboard kit. It has a standard 87-key layout with sockets for both 3 and 5-pin hot swappable switches. Furthermore, due to featuring Bluetooth 5.0 and a USB Type-C port, it works both wirelessly and wired. Constructed from a dense plastic housing, the case feels nice and sturdy while still being lightweight. Underneath are 2 adjustable 3-stage feet at the rear. Centered between both feet is a recessed cable connector port, along with a Bluetooth on-off switch. On top of the unit is a thick metal plate that does not rattle or ping. Although it does add stability to the board, unfortunately, this is non-removable from the PCB. As a result, it can create some minor problems if you ever need to re-lube or replace the existing stabilizers. On the plus side, the 1900 mAh battery life is excellent and can last beyond 1 week of heavy use. To indicate a low battery level, a green light will activate under the spacebar, and the RGB backlighting will fail to turn on. All in all, it's a great keyboard kit for beginners. Check out the description for more information and latest price. And number 1 of this list, SteelSeries Apex 5. The best budget mechanical keyboard under $100 that we've tested is the SteelSeries Apex 5 hybrid mechanical gaming keyboard. This wired-only option feels very solid and durable, thanks to its aluminum alloy top and double-shot ABS keycaps. It also has good ergonomics as it comes with a wrist rest and 1 adjustable incline setting. It uses proprietary SteelSeries hybrid blue mechanical switches that feel very responsive and have a satisfying tactile bump, as well as an audible click when a key is actuated. The keyboard comes with a good number of extra features, like an OLED screen that can show you almost anything you want, and a Windows key lock to prevent you from minimizing your game accidentally. It's also highly customizable within the user-friendly SteelSeries engine software. Unfortunately, typing on it is fairly loud due to the audible click of the switches. It also doesn't have any dedicated macro keys, but you can reprogram any key. It has full RGB backlighting, which is great for darkroom gaming, and you can easily control its brightness directly on the board. If you're looking for an exceptional mechanical gaming keyboard for under $100, this is an excellent choice. I have included this product links in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and share with your friends.